Tired of endless Google searches and shady suppliers promising the moon but delivering dust? Today, we're diving into SaleHoo, your secret weapon for finding reliable dropshipping suppliers and launching a profitable online store. First, head over to SaleHoo and log in, or sign up for an account. Once you're in, you'll see the powerful Supplier Directory. The key here is to use the filters effectively specify your product niche, like clothing, electronics, or home goods. Next, thoroughly research potential suppliers. SaleHoo provides detailed supplier profiles, including contact information, product range, shipping policies, and reviews. Pay close attention to their minimum order quantities, shipping times, and customer feedback to avoid any future headaches. After narrowing down a few suppliers, start browsing their product catalogs. Look for items with high demand and reasonable profit margins. SaleHoo often provides market research data to help you identify trending products. Don't skip the market research. SaleHoo's tools give you insights into what's hot right now. Check out product popularity and potential profit margins to make informed decisions. Now, let's integrate. SaleHoo seamlessly connects with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. This makes it easy to import products directly into your store and automate the order fulfillment process. Always place a test order. This is crucial to evaluate the supplier's shipping speed, product quality, and overall customer service. It's better to catch any issues early on than to disappoint your customers later. By using SaleHoo, you can ditch the guesswork and start building a legitimate dropshipping business. Start sourcing smarter today.